Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen, AJ47. Every time I post to my YouTube channel, I'll be posting an extended version containing some more steps and more combinations or whatever the topic is on my Patreon page. The first one is gonna go like this. You're gonna go to a switch position. So you'll go 1 and 2, and then you'll go and 3, 4. And then it repeats. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Make sure you tighten those shapes, make them sharp. Do something with the free hand. So when you're here, for 2, you don't want flailing hands. You want to tidy it up a little bit. However you prefer, you know, I don't know, up to you. Same thing when you get to this side. When you get over to here and you make this figure 4 shape, tighten this up. Don't have it like just bounce and be weak. Make it like almost like a pitcher. Even to a fast track, you only have 2 moments where you have to hit 2 and 4. So it's not a hard step. You shouldn't feel like you're rushing unless you need to readjust your form. So just be precise with that. Of course, once you've learned this, as you do with all things that I teach you, you should be learning it exactly how I've taught and then rearranging it in your own way. Create your own step using these positions and the mechanics that I show you. Have fun with this one. If you are new, subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like it, share it with a friend who you think it might benefit. Thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to catch you on the next one. AJ47, peace.